but I'm going to show you some of the features here. So I can use the share screen option, help a student navigate your web page, find different resources or information. Use it to share your screen if you're using or looking at the SIS or something, you can use the share screen feature. The share screen is one at a time. So you can share your screen. Any participants can share their screen as well. It will add a quick Chrome extension before you share your screen. But I use multiple monitors, so anything I want to be able to share, it's on one screen, and everything else is on another monitor. My email, chats are on another monitor, and if I need to, I can just move it over. And then, like Caesar mentioned, this meeting is recorded. It is recording by default, and only the meeting moderator can stop or start the recording or start it again. And then that meeting that's recorded is archived, so I can go back and access it later. Okay. And then here we have our document upload share. All of those forms or documents you use on a regular basis when supporting students can be uploaded and available here. Okay. And then Denise, I'll answer your question in just a moment. And then here you'll notice at the top are my documents. My documents are, again, those forms or documents you use on a regular basis. They're very generic, not student specific. And at the bottom, you can upload a meeting document. That's a document that is student specific, maybe a transcript that you want to review in that meeting. You can upload it here. And because it's meeting specific, once that meeting has ended, it's removed from your document library. Okay. Now here, I'm just going to, I can share, and it shares as a link in the chat, or open. Okay. And once I open, it opens in our whiteboard space. This space allows me to use the palette of tools to complete that form. Now I just unlocked it. So unlocking gives that participant, student, the ability to see the same palette of tools. I can leave it locked. I can unlock it. It's really up to you. If you want that form to be completed together or separately, if you don't want to give permission, you can do that. I can jump to future pages and I can even gather signatures. So I'm going to show you a few options. So check mark tools, change, highlight, and I'm doing all of this with my mouse. But I can also capture signatures, whether the student is locked or unlocked. I can capture a signature by simply using this signature tool and assign that signature area. Drop down. I'll just pick someone. Then if Giovanni was actually to click on that signature box, not in the share screen, but in the classroom itself, it will open up a signature box similar to DocuSign, and that signature can be captured. I can also sign using the pencil tool, and it is a legal binding signature. Okay. Once that form is complete, you can save, and it saves to your download folder. And then you can move it to the appropriate folder, location, or even print it out. But a student also has access, even if they're locked, to save. So you don't need to email that completed form to the student, simply have them save you some time. There isn't a FERPA violation. You're good to go. Okay. We also, and I'll just go over it really quick, but we also have whiteboards, blank sheet of paper, same palette of tools, lock and unlock feature. EditPad is great for text, and then the ability to collaborate with Google Docs. You simply enter a URL, and it's a doc sheet or a slide, and you can view and share within this space. Okay. And like Caesar mentioned, we do have, we are ADA. We do have real-time closed captioning. It can be hidden or viewed, and meeting moderators can edit the closed captioning. Anything that may be picked up incorrectly can be edited, and then those closed captions that are picked up are tied to the meeting archive as a transcript. Okay. And I will show you here in ours, from the left-hand panel, I'll close this document, but from the left-hand panel, we have archives, so we can come and access those recorded meetings, view, play back, find. So I can play this archive. Okay, I can view one person if I'd like, or the entire archive. I can export as an MP4, and then this information option will allow me to see that transcript or what was picked up in the closed captioning. Okay. And then I will show you one more thing. On the left-hand side, our Help Center, and this has just been updated. But we do have short video options, and we are working on adding more. Again, just a faster turnaround based on the current state. But please, any questions, or just please let us know if you do have any questions or need support. Okay, and then back from the side, so we do have questions how to embed a ConexED card. Actually, into your email. So we recently, this week, we removed the HTML option because email clients were actually making it more difficult to be able to add that HTML. So we removed the HTML option from our customized card view. And then there is a question, is it possible to track how many students are assisted on a regular basis by a particular user? Yes, we have a lot of reports and information that are available. It is group specific, or those, higher can pull reports for multiple groups as well. And it's here, I'm just in our counseling group and our reports. But we have lots of different reports. Our master appointment report is great for detailed information. Statistics report, high overview, students, times, information, meeting counts, reason codes. You can see a lot of filtering options. But you can quickly see how many meetings were handled based on reason code and the counselor, for example. Okay, we do have a lot of reports and information available as well. Okay. Any other questions? A lot of information. I hope we didn't overwhelm you this afternoon, but just think about how you would like to begin using ConexED for your team. Talk to your team, and then we can help you. Caesar, there was a question I don't know how to address. Does this interface with CRM advises, or I'm not sure what, advise?
Yeah, Heather, CRM Advice is a different platform. Starfish.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
the screen share.
Yep. So just to answer your question, T. Lolly, and everyone else, yes, you can share your screen. So if you're using DegreeWorks for the counselors, you can share your screen so they can follow along. CRM Advise, you can share your screen, they can follow along. If maybe you're helping a student complete their FAFSA and you want to show them an example of something, you can share your screen.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of possibilities.
Indeed. Other questions from this group or from the chat? So everyone's a content expert. We're ready to set these up. Oh.
We're optimistic on a Friday. Come on.
Yeah. I think people are just soaking it in right now.
For sure. It's a lot of information.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Heather.
Okay, thanks.
We got another group coming in at 1.
Yep. I'll just log right into the other classroom.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.